Hey guys, my name is Freedom. Today I'm going to show you how to create a laser beam in Blender 4.4, and start from now. I'm going to show you all this step by step. Now you can see, let's have a look. This is a laser beam that I created by using the Blender 4.4. It have the real beam, it have the beam, and it also have the laser point. This is the green point of the green laser. You can see now it can shine to anywhere where you can see the beam path in that way. So I'm going to show you all this step by step how to make this. Now you can see this is a surface that it is going to reflect the laser light. So let's go. Right now, this is starting from Blender 4.43, and now I'm going to just press A and delete everything. Next, I'm going to just add a surface so that later you can see where is the laser. Next, just go and add a light, just add a spotlight in this way. Now you have a spotlight. Next, just add a cylinder. This cylinder, the first step, just move it in this way. So just make it become -1, then just press Ctrl A, then just apply the scale now. So next, you can just add this. Just press S to make it small. Wait. This one, just Ctrl A. Then just choose the location now for this. Then just click this to just make it small in that way. Then make it skinny in that way. So this one we are going to just make it as a laser beam. So hold the shift, click the light, that's just Ctrl P object. So now you can see it already attached on the spotlight. You can just move the spotlight, then you can move the beam in that way. So this spotlight, now you can just click here so that you can see the render effect. Then click the light, the power, just make it become a big number, 20,000. Then this is the power. The radius, the size, you can just make it small. And this plane, I'm going to just move it up now. So click the spotlight. Make sure it is spotlight, the beam shape, the beam size, here. So next, click the cylinder. This cylinder, what you need to do is just go to the shading, and then just add here, just go and right click to add a volume. Just choose it from here, the shader, the principal volume. Here, just add material output, the volume. Then add here the emission strength. It's already 0. The density, just make it 0. Then the emission color, emission strength, this one you can just put it as like 10, or just put it as 1, or just 0.5. Then just emission color, you can just choose it. For example, green laser, you choose green. The strength, you can just put it as 1 or 5. Add here. Next, you can just back to the layout and have a look. Now, you can just make it skinny. Just click this. Make it skinny. And then, this beam, the beam itself, you have to click the spotlight. You can adjust the color at here. Adjust the color to just make it green. The power, if you put 1000, can you see something? Yes. Then 10,000. Now we can see maybe 5,000. It would be better. Now next, click the spotlight. If you press S, you can make everything smaller, or you can just make the size smaller. Then this beam, just make it smaller. Now you can see it already become a laser beam. So click the spotlight, rotate the spotlight, then you can rotate the whole beam, and you can make the beam longer. Just click the here, choose the local, make it big in this way. Now you can see it already become an infinite laser. It already become an infinite laser beam. Adjust it, make it bigger. Now, next, click the spotlight again. You can rotate it. At the same time, you can see this is the laser beam. The size, you can make it bigger in that way. Now, everything looks perfect. This is really a laser beam that you can shine to the infinity. You can see the pointer, blend, radius. You still can adjust it, not this, the size, not radius. You can adjust the size to fit to your needs. Right, done. This is the laser beam. Alright, that's all for today about my tutorials on how to create a laser beam just by using the Blender 4.4. Make a laser beam in Blender 4.4 for any color. You can change it to any color. Here, the shader, the shading, you can change it to any color you want. It can become the laser of any color. Alright, that's all for today. Thank you for watching. If you love my videos, tutorials and sharings, if you feel all these tutorials and sharings are very helpful to 3D modeling, 3D animations and 3D game developing, you can subscribe to my YouTube channel and also turn on the mini bell and select all so that when next time I publish a new videos, tutorials or sharings, you receive a notification immediately. See you in my next video. Enjoy! Happy 3D modeling, 3D animations and 3D game developing. See you!